Good afternoon, everyone. In the previous lectures, we covered the systems, types of systems. Then we have discussed the homogeneous system, heterogeneous system. Okay. Now, next point for the today's lecture, put the heading as energy. Put the heading as energy. Now, what do you mean by energy? How energy can be defined? Anyone? How energy can be defined? There are different kinds of energies. There are different types of energies. So before defining the types or before discussing the types, let us understand energy, definition of energy. What is energy? Anyone? See, energy means, go ahead. Bola.
Ability to do the work.
Ability to do work. Okay. Energy can be defined as ability to do work or capacity to do work is called as energy. Right. So without taking food, can you do the work? No.
No, sir.
Yes. Means compulsory we require some input, then only we can do some work. Right. So input is a form of energy. Right. So what are the capacities there that to complete the task we require the energy? Hence we can define in short, the energy can be defined as the capacity of the body to do work or simply capacity to do work is nothing but energy. Okay. Then there are different types of energies. Right. There are different types of energies. One is internal energy and second is external energy. External. There are two types of energies, internal and external. Then under internal energy, what are some types are there? Kutle types are. So you can understand, or you can consider chemical energy, atomic energy, and molecular energy. Right. So these energies comes under the category of internal energies. Right. So you can consider any system. For that system, what it possesses some internal energy. So that energy is nothing but chemical, atomic, and the molecular energy. Right.
So the slide is not visible.
Slide is not visible. Just a minute. Thank you. Now is it visible?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The energy types out of the internal energies that we can highlight here is that chemical energy, atomic energy, and molecular energy. Okay. So here we will discuss first chemical energy. First we will discuss chemical energy. So how we can define chemical energy? When the chemical energy will be released? This chemical energy is released when there is a change in chemical composition. Okay, change in chemical composition. Whenever there is a change in chemical composition, the energy will be released. That energy is nothing but chemical energy. Okay, so for example, you can consider the example of IC engine, internal combustion engine. Everybody has seen the internal combustion engine. जे आपण vehicles मध्ये बघतो, जे काही engine आहे, that engine is the internal combustion engine. In that, there is a release of internal energy, the chemical energy. It releases chemical energy. Okay, because whatever the fuel and the air that mixture will be prepared and that mixture will be sent in the internal combustion engine, and the combustion process starts. Okay, and during this combustion process the chemical energies get released. So that is what the chemical energy, this energy is releasing due to it's a change in chemical composition. Whenever there is a change in chemical composition will takes place, then it will release chemical energy. Okay, this is the chemical energy. Second definition or second type is atomic energy. So this atomic energy, that this energy will get released whenever there is a change in atomic structure. Okay, whenever there is a change in atomic structure, because you might have studied in the nuclear physics, fusion reaction, fission reaction. Have you studied? Uranium, thorium, bombardment of atoms, Atom, molecule, nuclei. Have you studied the chapter in the physics? शिकलाय का? आता बरेचसे 12वीचे जे विद्यार्थी आहेत ते ऑनलाईन मोड मध्ये असल्यामुळे I don't know how many have gone in depth study of the different topics. Okay, so here whenever there's a nuclear fission and fusion reaction, there is a release of atomic energy. That atomic energy get released due to change in atomic structure. When atomic energy will release, whenever there is a change in atomic structure, that is the atomic energy. The next definition is molecular energy. What is molecular energy? So we know that the number of moles or molecules moves, they impact on it, they bombard on it. Okay, so you can say that the energy get released due to the change, due to its molecular motion. The energy get released due to its molecular motion, right? So different molecules get attacked over each other, and whatever the energy will be released, that is the molecular energy. It's very simple definition of molecular energy. The energy is due to energy released due to its molecular motion. That is called as molecular energy. Right. So these three definitions or the three important types of energy will be considered under the category of internal energy. If I ask what are the internal energy types, then you can say that it is chemical energy, atomic energy, and molecular energy. These three types are considered under the category of internal energy. Okay, got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Note down first definition of energy. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down. Energy can be defined as the capacity to do work, the capacity to do work, full stop. Next line. There are two types of energies. First one is internal energy. And next is external energy. मग आता आपण बघितलं की इंटरनल एनर्जी मध्ये आपण जे टाइप्स आहेत ते म्हणजे कुठले केमिकल, ॲटॉमिक आणि मॉलिक्युलर. ओके, जर आपल्याला डेफिनेशन जर आपल्याला करायची असेल इंटरनल एनर्जी, हाऊ वी कॅन डिफाइन एनर्जी प्रेझेंट इन अ सिस्टम due to its molecular motion, change in atomic structure, and chemical composition. That is termed as, or that is known as, internal energy of a system. So in short, you can write a internal energy dash the internal energy is present in a system. The internal energy is present in a system. Due to its molecular motion, comma, arrangement of atomic structure, and its chemical composition, and its chemical composition. And its chemical composition.
हॅलो सर,
Yes.
काय स्टुडंट्सला जॉईन करता येणार सर?
ये नाही.
Ah.
One second. I have enabled the waiting room. How come? Participants. I have admitted all the students now. Why? What is the issue? कोण कोण असे विद्यार्थी आहेत? हॅलो,
एक जण आहे सर.
रोल नंबर
12.
E12. नाही, काय म्हणजे जस्ट सेम लिंक वी आर युजिंग ना फॉर एव्हरी मीटिंग. हॅलो, आपण सेम लिंक वापरतो. नाउ नंबर इज इन्क्रीजिंग ना. नाउ काउंट इज 50. नेटवर्क इश्यू असेल काय तर, नेट संपला असेल, पॅकवर काय तर बघा.
ओके सर.
So I hope you have written the definition of internal energy. Now next line, various types of internal energy are, various types of internal energies are, various types of internal energies are. First one, chemical energy. Chemical energy. Second, atomic energy. Atomic energy. Third, molecular energy. What happened? Okay, molecular energy. Screen this is सर्वांना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, molecular energy. Now one by one we'll write the definition. First is chemical energy. First is chemical energy. Or you can write definition for chemical energy. Screen this is सर्वांना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write down chemical energy. It is a energy. It is a energy. It is a energy. It is a energy released due to it is a energy released due to changes in chemical composition. Changes in chemical composition. Changes in chemical composition. Make the underline. Changes in chemical composition. Changes in chemical composition. Full stop. For example, combustion of air fuel mixture. Combustion of air fuel mixture. Combustion of air fuel mixture. FUEL fuel mixture in IC engine. Combustion of air fuel mixture in IC engine. In IC engine. Next, second type, atomic energy. Second type is atomic energy. Atomic energy. Dash. It is a energy. It is a energy released due to changes in atomic structure, changes in atomic structure of matter, full stop. For example, nuclear fusion and fission reactions, nuclear fusion and fission reactions, nuclear fusion and fission reactions. Noted?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next, molecular energy. The energy released due to the energy released due to its molecular motion, its a molecular motion full stop. एक्झाम मध्ये कदाचित तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन विचारतील, explain the three types of internal energies, explain the three types of internal energies. You should be able to explain three types: chemical, atomic and molecular energy. Okay, noted three types. Yes,
आताची slide.
ha. Noted? Shall we proceed next?
Yes, sir.
Now we have covered now internal energy. Next type is second type. It is external energy. There are external energy types also. Okay. See, whatever the external energy that we are going to consider here is potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential energy and kinetic energy. Right? So write down. The external energy can be divided. The external energies can be divided into two types. The external energies can be divided into two types. First one is potential energy, and second kinetic energy.
Can you repeat, sir?
External energies are divided into two types. First is potential energy, second kinetic energy. Now let us write the definition for potential energy. The potential energy and kinetic energy. These two terms I think everybody knows. कौन सांगेल? How you can define potential energy? Or what is potential energy? Anyone? What is potential energy? कौन सांगेल? See, potential energy, how you can define? The energy produced by the system or the body due to its position. You're getting my point? जे पोझिशन मुळे किंवा एका जे काही एनर्जी ही झालेली असणार आहे, that system or the body it possesses, that is nothing but potential energy. So normally when we say potential energy, we consider a stationary part. The system is stationary or the body is stationary, and whatever the energy will be possessed in that system or the body will be potential energy. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if this is the case, then how you can find out the potential energy? There is a one standard relation. The detailed derivation you have studied in the 12th or 11th. That is mass into acceleration due to gravity and elevation. That is height h. Okay, mgh. If I want to calculate the potential energy of the system or the body, then you can use this formula. Potential energy is equal to mgz or mgh. One and same, right? By using this formula, you can find out potential energy of a system. Correct. Now, similarly, we have to define kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy?
Energy which possessed by body in a
Huh.
motion.
Yes, energy possessed by the body due to its motion. Okay. Whenever the system or the body will be in the motion, then whatever the energy will be possessed in that particular system or the body, that is the kinetic energy. Now we can take simple example. Suppose one dam is there. In the dam, there is a water is stored. Okay, in the dam, water is stored. Okay, and you, as you know that in the Koyna Dam, where the generation plant is there, electricity generation plant is there. So there is a arrangement of turbines, etc. Different devices. की ज्यामध्ये वॉटर जे असणार आहे ते वॉटर काय होतं डॅमच्या तिथून पाईपद्वारे टर्बाईन कडे येत असते. बरोबर. मग जी सुरुवातीला जे वॉटर स्टोअर केलं असतं डॅम मध्ये, तर ते दॅट विल पजेसेस पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी. आणि ते वॉटर ज्यावेळेस फ्लो होईल त्या पेनस्टॉक पाईप मधून, पेनस्टॉक मधून टुवर्ड द टर्बाईन साइड, means what? Water has some motion. That is means what? Kinetic energy. Yes or no? That is the kinetic energy. So we can say initially water is in the form of potential energy. When it moves, when it flows toward the turbine, it changes its energy form, kinetic energy. So here conversion is taking place. Potential energy of the water is converted into kinetic energy. So that's why it is definition is kinetic energy is defined as the energy possessed by the body or the system due to its motion. That is nothing but kinetic energy. Clear? Then how will find out kinetic
Yes.
energy? How will find out kinetic energy? Again, there is one formula.
One
What
half
is
mv square.
Half mv square.
correct? 1/2 mv square. If I want to, I will show here the formula. By this formula, we can find out the kinetic energy 1/2 mv square. Okay, 1/2 mv square. By this formula, you can find out kinetic energy, right? So everyone should know, if I ask to find out the kinetic energy and potential of the system, that you should know the formula for potential energy mgh and kinetic energy 1/2 mv square. M is the mass, v is the velocity in meter per second, right? So just note down the two definitions, potential and the kinetic energy. Write down potential energy dash, the energy possessed by the body, the energy possessed by the body, the energy possessed, POSSED, possessed, energy possessed by the body due to its position.
Sir, repeat करा.
The energy possessed by the body, the energy possessed by the body due to its position, due to its position, due to its position is known as potential energy, is known as potential energy, is known as potential energy. Next line. It can be calculated by the formula. It can be calculated by the formula. It can be calculated by the formula. Write on this formula. PE is equal to mgz. PE is equal to mgz. Noted?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next is the kinetic energy. Write down kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. The energy purchased. The energy purchased. The energy purchased by the body. By the body. Due to its motion. Due to its motion. Due to its motion is known as kinetic energy. Yes, I will repeat. The energy purchased by a body, the energy purchased by a body due to its motion, due to its motion, due to its motion is known as kinetic energy, is known as kinetic energy. Next line, it can be calculated by the formula. It can be calculated by the formula. It can be calculated by the formula. Ke is equal to 1/2 mv square. 1/2 mv square. Okay, you can use this formula to calculate kinetic energy of a system. 1/2 mv square. Noted?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now next line is what is total energy? If I want to find out the total energy of a system, जर तुम्ही एका सिस्टम कन्सिडर केली असेल, त्या सिस्टमची तुम्हाला टोटल एनर्जी जर मी काढा म्हटलं तर तुम्ही काय काढले पाहिजे? You have to find out, you have to get the internal energy as well as external energy. In that external energy, you will calculate kinetic and potential energy, right? So then only once you calculate all this energy, then we can say you have determined the total energy of a system. Total energy of a system. That is the one we will write last formula. How to get the total energy of a system? Wrote down. Total energy. Total energy can be calculated by the formula. The total energy can be calculated by the formula. So you can use this equation. Total TE is equal to internal energy IE plus external energy EE plus EE external energy. Total energy is equal to IE plus EE. Okay. Now substitute the values. Total energy TE is equal to internal energy. You can use all kinds of energies. So I will write the symbol as U, or you can say capital E. कुठलेही symbol वापरलं तरी चालेल. Either you use the notation U, capital U, or capital E. दोन्ही पण चालेल internal साठी. U plus kinetic energy plus potential energy. Kinetic energy plus potential energy. Total energy कैसे calculate करणार? Internal energy U or capital E plus KE plus P. Now substitute the values. KE ची value substitute करा, PE ची value substitute करा. Now what is the equation? Total energy, that is equal to E is equal to U, that is internal energy, plus 1 by 2 mv square plus mgz. बरोबर आहे का?
Yes, sir.
Write down the formula. 1 by 2 mv square plus mgz. Okay, this is the total energy of a system. This is the total energy of a system. E is equal to U plus 1 by 2 mv square plus mgz. So clear at all?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes.
External energy ची definition repeat करा.
External energy means what is the summation of potential and kinetic energy. आता मी एक्सटर्नल मध्ये काय केलं, डायरेक्टली तुम्हाला दोन डेफिनेशन लिहून दिले. म्हणजे जस्ट व्हॉट एव्हर द एनर्जीज आर कन्सिडर्ड इन एक्सटर्नल, इट इज अ पोटेंशियल अँड कायनेटिक एनर्जी. Okay, so simply if you want to write the definition for external energy, the summation of potential and kinetic energy is known as external energy. असं लिहावं लक्षात डेफिनेशन. ओके, आणि त्याच्यानंतर मग पोटेन्शियलची डेफिनेशन वेगळी करायची आणि कायनेटिकची डेफिनेशन वेगळी करायची. कॅन यू डू दिस?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll move ahead. आपण हे डेफिनेशन केलेत ना सगळ्या सिस्टम सराउंडिंग वगैरे.
Yes, sir. केले.
Yes, sir.
कंट्रोल व्हॉल्यूम, कंट्रोल सरफेस, हे नाही ना?
हे नाही केलं सर.
Okay, now give the heading control volume and control surface. सर्वांना दिसते का कंट्रोल व्हॉल्यूम, कंट्रोल सरफेस ओपन सिस्टम चे? मी हा, give the heading control volume and control surface. कंट्रोल व्हॉल्यूम अँड कंट्रोल सरफेस. आपण पहिला डायग्राम काढूया, म्हणजे तुम्हाला ते कंट्रोल व्हॉल्यूम काय आणि कंट्रोल सरफेस काय ते पटकन समजून जाईल. लेट अस ड्रॉ फर्स्ट डायग्राम फॉर द कंट्रोल व्हॉल्यूम अँड कंट्रोल सरफेस. आपण सर्वांनी ओपन सिस्टम बघितले अगोदर, बरोबर? इन ओपन सिस्टम what
Yes,
are the
sir.
example we have taken that everybody noted or everybody knows. Okay. त्याच्यामध्ये त्याचा रेफरन्स घेऊन आपण कसं डिफाइन करते ते बघूया आपण. कंट्रोल व्हॉल्यूम अँड कंट्रोल सरफेस. आता इथे एक एक्झाम्पल दिसते बघा, वॉटर हीटर लेफ्ट साइडला. कॅन यू सी? लेफ्ट साइड दिसते
Yes, sir.
वॉटर हीटर. इट इज अ कंट्रोल व्हॉल्यूम. आणि जे डॉटेड लाईन दिसतात, दॅट डॉटेड लाईन्स रिप्रेझेंटिंग कंट्रोल सरफेस. आता मी अजून एक पिक्चर काढून दाखवतो तुम्हाला, त्याच्यावर तुम्हाला अजून जास्त क्लॅरिटी अजून. आय विल ड्रॉ इट. I will show the example of turbine. So in the turbine, whenever you want to show the symbolical representation, at that time inlet is smaller and exit is larger. Those want to take down this diagram, they can take down. दोन्ही काढा किंवा कुठले ते एक काढा, एक तर वॉटर हीटर काढा किंवा टर्बाइन काढा, जे तुम्हाला सिंपल वाटते ते तुम्ही ड्रॉ करू शकता. To understand the term control volume, control surface, you can draw the diagram of the turbine or water heater. कुठले तरी एक काढले तरी चालेल.
सर ते नाव कुठं दिलेत काय समज नाही.
ओके, सांगतो मी. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Drawn?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Boys?
sir.
ओके, बघा आता आपण डिफाईन करूया. आता इथं जे डेफिनेशन तुम्ही बघितले ओपन सिस्टम मध्ये, की ज्यामध्ये दोन्ही पण मॅटर एज वेल एज एनर्जी गेट एक्सचेंजेस. ओके, तर इथं जे आपण एक्झाम्पल घेतलेलं आहे टर्बाईन मध्ये बघितलं की वर्क आउटपुट आहे तुम्हाला. ओके, त्याच्यानंतर फ्रॉम द अपर साइड द gases are entering inside the turbine, and from lower side the gases are flowing outside, right? So here mass get enters or matter get enters into the system and getting out from the system. Okay, at the same time when this turbine processes works, it will extract the heat, it will transfer the heat. मग इथे दाखवलं बघा, heat transfer. Okay, heat get transferred. So this is what the open system, right? But here we want to define the term control volume. आपण कंट्रोल व्हॉल्यूम कसं डिफाइन करता येईल, याच्या शब्दामध्ये त्याचा डेफिनेशन आहे. सो हाऊ यू कॅन डिफाइन कंट्रोल व्हॉल्यूम? एनीवन? लेट इट बी रॉंग. कसं डिफाइन करता येईल कंट्रोल व्हॉल्यूम? See, please concentrate. Control volume can be defined as the volume of a system. Volume of a system remains constant, and it has a fixed position. It has a fixed position. बघा आता तुम्ही water heater. Volume of a system is remains constant and it has fixed position. जे position आहे ते कसे फिक्स आहे. That is called as control volume. That is called as control volume. So whatever the volume is considered, so this volume is remains constant and it has a fixed position. That is known as control volume. Got the definition of control volume? Hello? Have you understood the definition of control volume?
Can you
Repeat it, sir.
ओके, आता हे तुम्ही जर टर्बाइन घेतलाय, ह्या टर्बाइन मध्ये हे असं हे दाखवलं बघा, सरफेस दाखवलेलं आहे, डॉटेड लाईन्स. मग त्याच्यामध्ये जो काही हे टर्बाइनचा पार्ट आहे, त्याची जी काही एरिया जो आहे साइडचा, ओके, दॅट इज व्हॉट द सिस्टम. ओके, इट इज कन्सिडर्ड एज अ सिस्टम. मग जो काही व्हॉल्यूम आहे तो कसं आहे, व्हॉल्यूम कॉन्स्टंट आहे. व्हेन व्हॉल्यूम इज रिमेन्स कॉन्स्टंट, ओके, इट हॅज ए फिक्स पोझिशन पण कशी त्याची फिक्स आहे. That is known as control volume. किंवा इथं बघा, in case of water heater, so whatever the volume is there, this volume is fixed, constant. Okay, that is the control volume. Whatever the volume you can call as it is controlled volume. Okay, the next term is control surface, जे आपण dotted line दाखवली आहे, इथं पण दाखवलंय बघा water heater च्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये. कंट्रोल सरफेस. मग कंट्रोल सरफेस म्हणजे काय बघा, the surface, whatever the surface is there surrounded by the control volume is known as control surface. Very simple. जी काही बाउंड्री लाईन आहे कंट्रोल व्हॉल्यूमची, that is known as control surface. बघा, जो काही व्हॉल्यूम आहे त्याचं जी काही बाउंड्री लाईन दाखवली डॉटेड लाईन, so this line is indicating control surface. The boundaries of the control volume are known as is known as control surface. Getting two definitions? Have you got it? Control volume, control surface. When I say control volume, volume of the system remains constant and it has fixed position. That is control volume. And control surface means what? Volume surrounded by the control volume, or the surface surrounded by the control volume is known as control surface. Is known as control surface. Is it clear to all? Two important definitions.
Yes, sir.
Okay, note down. Write down. Control volume पाहिलं या dash. Control volume. The volume of a system. The volume of a system remains constant. The volume of a system remains constant. And it has a fixed position. And it has a fixed position. The volume of a system remains constant and it has a fixed position. It has a fixed position. Is known as control volume. Is known as control volume. Second example of this second definition, control surface. Control surface. Write down. Control surface dash the volume, the surface surrounded by the surface surrounded by the surface surrounded by the control volume, surface surrounded by the control volume, the surface surrounded by a control volume is known as control surface, is known as control surface, is known as control surface. Noted?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The control volume झाला?
कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम ची डेफिनेशन रिपीट करा ना.
Control volume. Control volume means what? The volume of a system. जी काय तुम्ही सिस्टमचं जे व्हॉल्यूम आहे, that volume will be remains constant. It has fixed position. That is the control volume. So I will give the definition. The volume of a system, the volume of a system remains constant, and it has fixed position, and it has fixed position, is known as control volume, is known as control volume. Okay. So two important terms are, noted the two definitions, important definitions, control volume, control surface.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, next term we will discuss and then we'll conclude the meeting. Okay, put the heading. State of a system. Give the heading. State of a system. State of a system. So who will define state of a system? What is state of a system? कोण सांगेल? State of a system. बघा, आपण सिस्टमचे स्टेट कधी कसं डिफाइन करायचं? Okay. So the exact condition of the system, the exact condition of a system that will describe the thermodynamic properties, that will describe the thermodynamic properties is known as state of a system. म्हणजे आता एक सिस्टम तुम्ही पकडलेली, त्या पर्टिक्युलर एक पॉइंट घेतला, त्या पॉइंटच्या कन्सर्न you want to measure the thermodynamic property like pressure, volume, temperature, etc. That is what the state of a system. Getting my point? State म्हणजे काय? जे सिस्टम तुम्ही कन्सिडर केलेले आहे त्या सिस्टम मध्ये कुठलाही जर का पॉइंट पकडला, that point where you can measure the thermodynamic properties, that is known as state of a system. That is a state of a system. So note simple definition of the state of system. State of a system. Have given the heading? State of a system. Heading दिले का?
Yes, sir.
Right now, the exact condition of a system, the exact condition of a system, the exact condition of a system that describes thermodynamic properties, that describes thermodynamic properties, that describes thermodynamic properties is known as state of a system is known as state of a system. Is known as state of a system. Okay. Once you will be able to understand the state of the system, then we have to discuss the properties of a system. ज्या म्हटलं ना thermodynamic properties. Okay. मग properties मध्ये कुठल्या properties असतील त्या? Those properties may be intensive properties or extensive properties. Okay. मग जर state of system जर clear असेल तर तुम्हाला you have to define properties. Are you getting my point? We will define properties of a system. What is properties of a system? You give the heading properties of a system. Properties of a system. Properties of a system. Mata, what is the property of a system? How you can define? Anyone? बोला. आपण कसं डिफाइन करू शकता? Properties of a system. What is property of a system? Can you define? See how properties can be defined. Any measurable, so you can measure it by using different instruments. Any measurable or observable characteristic of a system. Characteristic of a system is known as properties of a system. Is known as property of a system. Are you getting definition? Properties of the system म्हणजे काय की जे तुम्ही properties measure करू शकता किंवा observe करू शकता. Such properties are the that is the characteristic of a system. Okay, any observable or measurable characteristic of a system is nothing but properties of a system. म्हणजे ज्या तुम्हाला characteristics measure करता येतात किंवा observe करता येतात, such properties or such characteristics are the thermodynamic properties. Okay, note simple definition. Give the heading properties of a system. Properties of a system dash any measurable 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 or observable characteristic of a system. Any observable or measurable characteristic of a system. Any measurable or observable characteristic of a system is known as properties of a system. Is known as properties of a system. Properties of a system. Okay, mata property चे types आहेत intensive properties and extensive, that we will discuss in the next lecture. Will it be okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so give the attendance. Roll number 1,
Present, sir.
2, roll number 2, 3, roll number 3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6,
Present, sir.
7,
Present.
8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10, roll number 10, 11, roll number 11, 12, 13,
Present, sir.
roll number 12 present,
Present, sir.
Present.
13,
Present, sir.
14, 15,
Present, sir.
16,
Sir,
7.
14 present.
Okay, 16,
Present, sir.
17, roll number 17, 18, 18, 19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
24,
Present, sir.
25,
Present, sir.
26,
Present, sir.
27, 27, 28,
Present, sir.
29,
Present, sir.
30,
Present, sir.
31, 31, 32,
Present, sir.
33, 33, 34, 34,
Present, sir.
35,
Present, sir.
36,
Present, sir.
37.
35. Present.
Okay,
Present,
noted.
sir.
37,
Present, sir.
38, 38, 39,
Present, sir.
40,
Present, sir.
41,
Present, sir.
42,
Present, sir.
43,
Present, sir.
44,
Present, sir.
45,
Present, sir.
46,
Present, sir.
47,
Present, sir.
48,
Present, sir.
49,
Present, sir.
50, 51, 51, 52, 52,
Present, sir.
53,
Present, sir.
54,
Present, sir.
55,
Present, sir.
56,
Present.
57,
Present, sir.
58,
Present, sir.
59, 59, 60, 60, 61.
59च आहेत सर.
हा
59 पर्यंतच आहे.
ओके ठीक आहे. मैं ऍब्सेंट नंबर रीड करतो. रोल नंबर 2, 10, 11, 18, 27, 31, 33, 30. हा बोला. हा
50%.
नाही मी 50 म्हटलं नाही. 38, 51, 59. मी ऍब्सेंट नंबर वन्स अगेन रीड करतो. रोल नंबर 2, 10, 11, 18, 27, 31, 33, 38, 51, 59. These are absent. Okay. So time is over. We'll end the meeting now. Thank you very much.